Hey, what's up, everybody? Day 5 of the crash diet experiment. I'm about to go head into the bathroom and do my morning weigh-in. Hair looks kind of crazy today. I don't know what's going on there. Um, so one quick note that I wanted to talk about a little bit that I realized over the past few days is that on the lower calories, I definitely have a diminished drive to get out there and do more low-level activity. So for the past few days, I've been tracking my steps, and I just haven't been getting anywhere near what I would typically get. I'm usually at least a minimum of 10,000 steps a day, sometimes upwards of like 50 or 20,000 steps. And most of the days, I've just been getting much less than that. Some days it's been less than even 5K, which is kind of unheard of for me because I walk to my office and then I walk back. And then typically in the middle of the day, I'll take like another walk, and that'll usually put me at a minimum of 6,000 steps. So that's one thing that's really interesting about being on far fewer calories is that some people just actually decrease the amount of non-exercise activity thermogenesis that they engage in. So that is just your normal day-to-day activities where you burn calories. And I've definitely felt that. So I'm going to keep on tracking my steps over time and really kind of make a conscientious effort to try to hit the 10,000 K mark for each and every single day. Also, I'm sure as you saw, I'm about 1 pound up from yesterday's weigh-in. That's just going to happen. Who can tell what that's really from? Could be that the food that I ate last night just had a lot more volume to it. It could be that I was able to actually figure out how to just eat more food and stay roughly within the 15K range. I did go over a tiny bit because of the sweet potatoes. Could be that I was up a little bit later working. There's a multitude of things that could really be at play there. But 1 pound is nothing to freak out about or anything like that. It's all pretty normal, and there's just going to be fluctuations in it all. So I'm going to head into my office here in a few minutes, and I'm actually eating something a little bit different today. So once I get in there, I will show you guys what I'm bringing for my lunch and for snacks and everything like that. All right, so I'm gonna go over the food that I brought with me to my office today to give you guys a bit of a look at what I'll be eating. A little bit later today, I'm going to be going to the gym and working out, so my carbs are gonna be a little bit higher today. Fats will be a little bit lower. Protein will be pretty consistent. After going to the gym a little bit later tonight, we have my gym's holiday party, so I'm gonna be attending that. I'm definitely gonna leave some calories behind to go there and eat. So I'll probably eat a little bit less during the day so that when I go to the party, I can enjoy myself, be social, and have some food with people and just kind of enjoy their company. So first and foremost, the very first thing I have today is one of my patented salads the size of my head. We got turkey, sweet potato, greens, cabbage, carrots, mustard, and a little bit of blue cheese dressing in there. So I don't know the exact calories on that, but it's decently low, nothing too extreme. And then for my snacks, I wanted to mix it up a little bit today. Salad's a little bit mixed up too with the sweet potatoes added in. So I have carrots, apples, and the leftovers of roasted broccoli. And then to ensure that I am hitting my protein goals for the day, I have a cup of Greek yogurt with a little bit of protein powder mixed in. So nothing there is going to be a ton of calories. Nothing is going to be too out of the normal. I feel like I'm really getting a handle on upping the volume and keeping the calories a little bit lower to stay fuller. Drinking water is going to be really helpful. So right now, what I've been actually really digging is a couple bottles of sparkling water throughout the day. They seem to help out with a little bit of the appetite and things like that. I'm not sure if it's the carbonation or exactly what it is, but they seem to help out a little bit. So that's a food that I have for right now. I got a long day of work ahead of me and things to take care of. When I go to the gym today, I may snap some videos of my lifts while I'm there. Today's gonna be more of like an upper body focused day. Energy's pretty good so far today. Appetite isn't crazy. It's almost actually noon here, and I'm not feeling too ravenously hungry. I'm not sure if it's because I didn't work out in the morning or my body's just kind of getting adapted to the lower calories and my appetite is slowly going down. But yeah, so far I'm not by any means super hungry. Long day work ahead of me, and I will check in with you guys in a bit. All right, a little bit of a wrap up for day 5. So after I finished up my office, I went to my gym and lifted, left, and then came back to the gym for our celebration, holiday party. Well, I was there. I mostly just had like about 700 to 800 calories left. So I ate what I thought would be 700 to 800 calories worth of mostly protein while I was there. There were some chicken wings. I think I had about like five of those. And then other than that, there was a little bit of like a kind of mole chicken that was there too. So I just kind of munched on those, and that's all I really had while I was there. Didn't weigh or measure anything like that because that'd be weird. But wouldn't actually be that weird for some people. But yeah, nothing too crazy from day 5. I mean, it's pretty par for the course. It's I'm gonna keep this pretty short. So yeah, nothing too crazy from day 5. A little bit of energy dips, but I've kind of gotten used to that by now. So cool. See you guys day 6.